Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to wear multiple hairs on Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So on Roblox, you can currently only wear one hair at a time by default, but there is a way to override that. So you just go to your avatar, and let's say there's two hairs you want to wear. So click on the one that you want to wear. So I'm going to click on this one. I already had it selected, but I'm clicking it again. And then let's say I want to pair it with this hair. So you're going to right-click and click Open Link in New Tab. You're going to click on the tab, and it's just this number right here. You're going to right-click, click Copy, go back to the avatar, scroll all the way down to the bottom until you see Advanced right here. Click that, and all you're going to do is click Paste. And then once you're done adding in all of the things that you want to wear, your avatar is perfect. You've pasted in all of the extra accessories and hairs that you want to wear. Click Save, and it'll override your current look. And then boom, you will be wearing two different hairs. And that's it. So that's basically how you can wear multiple hairs on Roblox. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.